What's up, guys? It's Gun Elite 69. How we doing? Microphone check, check, check. I hope it don't come out messed up, man. I don't even know. Anyway, guys, my hand's kind of cut up. If you can see, maybe it's a sign, man. Look what happened to my piece. Believe it or not, that piece right here was stood. It's not gonna take much to snap that off. Anyway, it's done. Trash. And don't even ask me about the ash catcher. Guys, oh my god. All I can say is there is still hope for it. But there ain't no arm on it no more at all. Guys, that's so expensive right there, man. It really hurts, man. And that's as big as a soda bottle, man. A water bottle. You know what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do now? Use it for this right here. Like I'm smoking something else out of it. I don't know, man. Maybe I can run a hose on it, and I can still use it like this. Maybe I can put a hookah hose on it and set it on the table. I'm gonna fix it somehow. I ain't going out like that. But as for this, I can probably fix it to throw something down in there, a stem down in there, and put a lot of putty around it. But I had to fix this thing back up. I'm done anyway, but guys, yeah, man, I just want to tell you, that made me really upset last night, man, when that fell off the table. It actually fell off the bed beside me because I was stupid. I was laying in bed, and what it did is made me pass out, and I broke it. Good thing I didn't get hurt. I cut up more than I did. So with that being said, I'm gonna start reviewing a lot of airsoft games and stuff like that. Cause I just don't know. But anyway, alright guys. It's gonna be 69. You know damn well I'm gonna stick around to 420. I ain't never gonna go out like that. But I ain't gonna smoke nothing, smoke me a cigarette. And then I got to go shave and take a shower. But I got a brand new shotgun today, guys. I actually have a 428. And these are actually in the shells that it holds. It's not real. You pack them with BBs. I thought it was the one that blasted them all out at one time, but it's not. What it is they're each 30 round clips. They each hold 30 rounds in them. And I got a speed loader that loads them real quick. And, anyway, I'll show it to you real quick. Got a few more shells on that. Anyway, but that's just a big full gun. I can't show you the whole thing in the bed. I'll show you in the barrel. I'll show you maybe that flipped up. It's hard as shit to cop. It's just like a real gun. If I hit this trigger, this will pop open. The shotgun shell will pop out. I ain't put my flashlight batteries in there yet, but as soon as I do, I'll have a flashlight right there that you see right there. So,